Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial on how to use loppers safely. Now when you're using this in a forest school environment, you can have an individual standing there arm's length holding an object such as this, a branch, and then the other partner would cut using the loppers. Now obviously they're facing the loppers towards another individual, so you need to make sure they're being safe in that scenario. What I like to teach is how to use the loppers on an individual basis by leaning a branch up against something more solid, such as this tree trunk here, and then standing back and using the loppers like so. Making sure this is secure, making sure this is angled. You can also brace it with your foot, and then you're going to open and then use the loppers just like that. You can then take the branch once more and repeat the process like that. And there we have a cut, nice and clean, nice and simple, using the loppers. If you haven't looked at the tool talk already, please do so by clicking the link above to show you how to stand, how to walk, how to manoeuvre with the loppers. But that is a way that you can do it on an individual basis, and you can obviously be there to support the learner as well. It can be done from a very young age. Open. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You did do it. Let's try again. Open, open.